I'm John Gilley, and I'm the owner of Edinburg Custom Homes out of Dallas, Texas, and our primary market is North Dallas. When we met Aspire, we were running a very successful new home building, higher-end construction company. We worked very hard. Just at the end of the day, we didn't have the money in the bank account to represent the amount of work that was going into the effort. We got a call from Aspire, and I was interested, and we went and got to hear the presentation. And I've got to admit, some of the concepts were foreign. One in particular, the PSA, I thought would never work in our market. It's been the most miraculous tool in our toolbox since then. So with the help of Aspire, focusing on best business practices for contractors, we were able to see the opportunities. Most importantly, we were able to see that we weren't pricing our projects profitably. And so I would say that that's probably the best asset, if you will. It's a total approach, but the bottom line is we are keeping more of the money that we make.